Well, look who made it to the autumn season. You are this close to qualifying for the next round of the Dirt Racing Series. You should come back to Tarn Hows, it's completely different in autumn.
What a drive! Whew! Oh, we'll have you in round 2 of the Dirt Racing Series. Thank you very much.
Welcome to the Eliminator. Choose your car. Alright, so there's only one car, but don't worry, you can upgrade later. Now, choose a starting point. Remember, buildings, landmarks, and points of interest are good places to search for car drops.
It's time for the Eliminator! Go!
Cha-ching! Car drop time. Keep an eye out for these flares to find more. You've been challenged. First to the destination gets to stay in the game. Second, well, there's no prize for second.